If you're looking to personalize your ads more effectively and leverage AI-powered insights, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how AdCreative AI can help you optimize and personalize your ads to boost engagement and conversions, all using powerful AI technology. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you how to get access to a special extended free trial. First things first. AdCreative AI is a game changer when it comes to ad personalization. You don't have to guess what your audience will respond to or waste time experimenting with different ad variations. With AdCreative AI, the software uses artificial intelligence to analyze your target audience, your ad performance, and even your brand's specific goals to create high-converting ad creatives that are tailored to resonate with the right people. Here's the magic. Instead of manually creating dozens of ads and hoping for the best, you can input your parameters into AdCreative AI, and it will generate multiple versions of your ad that are optimized for engagement. The AI learns from your past data and from other successful campaigns, so it continuously improves over time. This means you don't need to be a design expert or spend hours tweaking your ads. The software takes care of that for you. One of the standout features of AdCreative AI is its ability to personalize your ads for different audience segments. Whether you're targeting different age groups, genders, locations, or interests, AdCreative AI can create distinct variations of your ads that will appeal to each segment, ensuring a higher level of personalization. This can dramatically increase your conversion rates since you're delivering an ad experience that feels relevant to each person. Another powerful feature is the AI's real-time optimization. This means that as your ads run, AdCreative AI continuously monitors performance and makes adjustments on the fly. It can analyze metrics like click-through rates, conversions, and engagement, and based on this data, it refines your ads to improve their effectiveness. It's like having a dedicated marketing team, but automated and working 24/7. But that's not all. AdCreative AI also uses psychological insights to create ads that trigger emotional responses. By understanding the emotional triggers that influence consumer behavior, the AI tailors your ads to evoke the right response. This level of personalization is far beyond what traditional ad creation tools can offer, helping you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what does it cost? The best part is you can start using AdCreative AI for free by clicking the first link below. And because you're watching this video, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that gives you even more time to explore all the features of the software. It's a no-brainer for anyone serious about improving their ad campaigns. In conclusion, AdCreative AI is a tool that takes the guesswork out of ad personalization. By using AI-powered insights, it optimizes your creatives in real time, helping you target the right people with the right message every time. If you're tired of wasting money on ads that don't work, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below. Start personalizing your ads with AdCreative AI today and watch your results improve.